My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Skoda Octavia. This vehicle has done just under 34,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control and cruise control. On the right, we have driver assist and automatic headlights. To the left of our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right, we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, our vehicle settings and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control, as well as RS mode. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.